Welcome to Detailed Wi-Fi Hacking Series Part 1. If you want to be a hacker, you must know how the system works under the hood. Just using the script of others will make you a script kiddie. If you know how a system works, then and only then you can plan how to fool the workflow. If you don't know how a Wi-Fi works, which security does it implements, what happens when we try to connect to a Wi-Fi and things like this, then even using automated tools like Aircrack-ng will be pointless because you won't know the terms used in that script. So this is the first tutorial of this channel. I will be posting videos in regular interval, like after 1 or 2 days gap. Enjoy! Network interface card or controller can be of two types: 1. Wireless. 2. Wired. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then you are using wireless network interface card, that is WNIC. Or if you are connected through a Ethernet cable, then it is wired. Wired or wireless, without network interface card we cannot connect to the Internet. They are also called network adapter or local area network (LAN) adapter. The first picture is wireless network interface card and second is wired network interface card. Every device that contains a wireless network interface card (WNIC), such as a laptop, a tablet, a mobile phone, is a station. The station STA will always be the client device in a wireless network. Wi-Fi access point and Wi-Fi router are different. Let's say you have a normal router, one end of it will be connected to the Internet and the ports will be left for other computers or devices to connect to the router and use the Internet. A normal router will be useful for as many as 8, 16 or at the most 48 devices. These are the number of ports. Plus, you may also need as many LAN cables too. Almost everyone who has Internet connection in home would have a Wi-Fi router. Access point is primarily used by medium and large organization. An access point is a wireless network device that acts as a portal for devices to connect to a local area network. Access points are used for extending the wireless coverage of an existing network and for increasing the number of users that can connect to it. Many devices (PC, laptop, smartphone) placed within the range of access point signal can now connect or send the data through the access point. Thus we have increased the number of connected devices, increased their mobility and also freed our network from wires. Now connect more access points into many ports available in the router and we have a really large network. A high-speed Ethernet cable runs from a router to an access point, which transforms the wired signal into a wireless one. On the other hand, a wireless router is a device that can itself convert the data into RF and broadcasts it into nearby area without the use of an access point. The server which holds the user database. The authentication server AS is accessed by the access point AP every time a user requests access to the wireless network. The authentication server searches the user in its database, validates its credentials and informs the access point. The authentication server is not always present in a wireless network, and in simple home and office wireless networks the user database is stored in the access point AP. A distribution system is a logical element of an IEEE 802.11 network which provides the means of connecting multiple AP access points together. In most commercial AP, the distribution system is already implemented, enabling it to be directly connected to a wired network such as Ethernet, etc. Usually the distribution system DS is the common Ethernet 802.3 standard. In some cases, when two or more access points need to communicate in order to support user roaming, the distribution network DS might be another wireless network. Next video will be on how a Wi-Fi network operates. That means how our devices scans and shows the available Wi-Fi name. And what happens when we enter password and press connect. How do the station communicates to the AP will be shown in next video.